So George, there's been a lot of hype and talk for the last couple of years all around AI and machine learning,
Lots of hype.
right? I mean, would you say, like, what's one of the big questions, even in the first, when we just talk about AI and machine learning, I think just even those terms, they're often used interchangeably, right? And but they don't necessarily mean the same thing.
Don't necessarily mean the same thing at all. When you speak to a lot of people about AI or machine learning, especially in cybersecurity, they're really not that interested. I mean, I know myself and Chad and Hal here in the organization, we actually talked about machine learning and AI a lot to people, a lot of MSPs. But I think the problem is that sort of apathy leaves a lot of space for a misunderstanding about what the technology is, what it does, and what it can deliver.
Right.
And I think the message that myself and Chad and the others were trying to get over was the fact you actually need to know about this stuff. It is important, and it's going to play a more and growing role in your business going forward.
Yeah, absolutely. Webroot obviously focuses specifically on the cybersecurity element of this, but AI and the extension of machine learning and deep learning and processing big volumes of data has a lot of applications that I think have made our lives easier today. How Google algorithms work, Netflix, but how Webroot uses this is in a really unique way that is aimed at discovering threats proactively, being able to manage an increasingly large volume of information and helping really rapidly identify emerging threats as they're emerging.
Yeah, I think businesses are using it the same way. They're looking at their data stores. They're going in there and saying, well, can this give me some business intelligence, give me some trends? If I'm a retailer, what does it tell me? The problems are the same. You've got vast amounts of data that you're collecting the whole time and trying to make some sense out of that and get some value out of that. And cybersecurity is no different from any of those areas of those businesses. It's trying to take that vast amount of data and find what I'd call the needles in the haystack, because that's really what you're looking for. You're looking for the things that are going to give you some actionable information and intelligence.